Hello, everyone. Are you a student looking for ways to earn some extra cash without sacrificing your studies? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into 18 innovative ways for students just like you to make money. Whether you're creative, tech-savvy, or just willing to put in some extra effort, we've got something for everyone. So let's get started. First up, freelancing. If you've got skills in writing, graphic design, web development, or digital marketing. Platforms like Upwork or Fiverr can be your playground. Next is tutoring. Share your knowledge in subjects you excel at by tutoring younger students or peers. Platforms like Tutor.com are great places to start. Number 3, a part-time job. Retail, food service, or even campus jobs are fantastic ways to earn while keeping flexible hours. Don't overlook paid internships. They're a win-win for gaining experience in your field and making money. Fifth, selling online. Use eBay, Etsy, or Depop to sell products you're passionate about, from handmade goods to vintage finds. Got a car? Consider ride-sharing or delivery driving with apps like Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, or Grubhub. Participate in research studies or surveys. Universities and online platforms pay for your opinion or participation in studies. Number 8, social media management. Small businesses and startups are always in need of savvy individuals to manage their online presence. Excellent at taking notes, sell them on platforms like Stuvia or Nexus Notes. Babysitting or pet sitting can also be a lucrative option, especially if you love kids or animals. Moving on to number 11, becoming a virtual assistant. Offer your organizational skills to businesses or entrepreneurs from the comfort of your home. 12th, content creation. Start a blog or a YouTube channel about something you're passionate about and monetize it through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise. 14th, if sports is your forte, offer lessons or perform at local events. As a campus brand ambassador, work with brands to market their products on your campus. Become a fitness instructor or personal trainer if you're into health and wellness. Crafting and selling. Turn your hobby into profit by selling your creations on Etsy or at local markets. Offer house cleaning or organizing services. It's a great way to make money and help others. And finally, if you're tech-savvy, offer technical support services, fixing computers, smartphones, or setting up networks. And that wraps up our list of 18 ways for students to make money. With a bit of creativity and effort, you can find the perfect side hustle to fit your skills and schedule. Don't forget to explore these options and see what works best for you. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button. Subscribe for more content. Share this video to help fellow students and switch on the notification bell to receive alert when we drop new content. Until next time, keep making smart moves and smart money.